Welcome to the channel. This ride will be first gear launch to see what the first gear top speed is before hitting the red line of 7,000 RPM. The audio will be from the rear view camera. There's a little bit of delay between the front and the rear video. I was able to hit 40 miles per hour on first gear, and second gear was 60 miles per hour and above. It's pretty quick taking off from the line. I was still able to leave all those cars behind. I'll try it again, the first gear launch from this light. I'm pretty sure it was about 40 miles per hour on first gear before hitting that 7,000 RPM. It's not super fast compared to my CB1000R. First gear on that bike, I was able to hit 60 plus miles per hour. I'll switch the camera view angle from front to rear. This part I'll talk about Kawasaki factory exhaust, sound tuning. The sound exhaust has the right perfect note and pitch and a nice even tone. On Kawasaki website they have some information on sound tuning the W800 Cafe exhaust. The carefully crafted audio notes can be the key component of street riding exhilaration offered by models that have benefited from sound tuning. Sound tuning can include conducting sound research, designing intake and exhaust system components based on their acoustic tests carried out in the sound room, and careful consideration of every detail of a system component to ensure a balance of performance and the desired sound. I'm very happy that Kawasaki put a lot of attention and R&D to the exhaust notes. Usually when I buy a motorcycle, the first upgrade I would do is change out the exhaust. But on this motorcycle, I'll keep this stock. The exhaust on the W800 Cafe, I enjoy the sound, it's very nice. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.